Struggling with file management on your iPhone? Browser and Documents Manager offers basic storage, but it has limitations. In this video, we'll review its features, drawbacks, and share a better alternative for managing your iPhone data. Part 1. What is Browser and Documents Manager? Browser and Documents Manager lets you browse the web, manage files, and view documents, images, and videos on your iPhone. It's useful for offline access and file organization, but lacks advanced features, like full device management and data transfer. Part 2. Browser and Documents Manager Review. Browser and Documents Manager is a simple file manager for iPhone. Pros: easy to use, offline file access. Cons: ads, crashes, no data management or backups. Verdict: good for basics, but lacks advanced features. Part 3. Best alternative to Browser and Documents Manager. If Browser and Documents Manager feels too limited, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It's a powerful tool for transferring, managing, and backing up your iPhone data easily and securely. How to transfer and manage iPhone data with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Assistant for iOS on your computer. Open the program and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Unlock your device and tap Trust when prompted. Once connected, the software will display the main interface. Step 2. To manage your data, go to the left panel, where all file types are neatly categorized, such as photos, contacts, messages, etc. Click on the category you want to access. Step 3. After selecting a category, use the top menu to choose what you want to do. You can import, export, edit, or delete files as needed. Step 4. If you want to back up or restore your data, switch to the Super Toolkit section and select iTunes Backup and Restore to proceed.